Yes, there are design rules, but maybe not as many as you think. In many areas of life, if we break the rules, we don't often get away with a positive outcome. Design is one of those places where it's not only okay to break them, it's often encouraged, and many amazing designers do just that. It's not like a math equation where there's only one right answer. So much of design is just personal preference. It's easier to follow your gut on certain design choices and be successful at doing that if you know what the rules are and why. Here are some classic ones. I talk about rug size often. So many people err on the side of buying them too small, but if you have the right size, it can make your room feel bigger and better. For a seating arrangement, try to have at least the front half of sofas and club chairs on the rug. And if the arrangement isn't pushed up against the wall, try to have all of it sitting completely on the rug.